Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to safely jack up a BMW X5. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure your vehicle is on a level, firm surface like concrete to prevent any unexpected movement. Engage the parking brake firmly and place wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground. This crucial step adds an extra layer of security, ensuring your X5 stays put while you work. Always refer to your owner's manual for model-specific instructions. Now, let's find those all-important jacking points. Your BMW X5 has 4 specific reinforced points designed for lifting. You'll typically find these durable plastic or rubber pads located just behind the front wheels and just in front of the rear wheels, along the side skirts. These are the only safe places to position your jack. Never place your jack on the suspension, exhaust, or differential, as this can cause serious damage to your vehicle. With your jacking point identified, it's time to lift. Position your floor jack squarely under one of the designated jacking points. Begin to slowly and steadily raise the vehicle. Continue lifting until the tire you're working on is just a few inches off the ground. Once lifted, immediately place a sturdy jack stand directly next to your jack, under the same jacking point. Then, gently lower the vehicle onto the jack stand, ensuring it's securely supported. When you're ready to lower your X5 first, slightly raise the vehicle again with your jack, just enough to relieve pressure and safely remove the jack stand. Once the stand is clear, slowly and carefully lower your vehicle all the way down to the ground. Remove your jack and the wheel chocks. Finally, if you removed a wheel, ensure all lug nuts are tightened to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically around 103 foot-pounds, for complete safety.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.